In this video, we will see what are the various type of screen layout and what are the various type of screen templates are available in Power Apps. So as you can see in this slide, there are 4 type of layouts are present and there are 11 different type of screen templates are available in Power Apps. So in layout section, you can see there are 4 type of screen layouts is blank screen, split screen, sidebar layout, and the last one is header and footer layout. Similarly, in the template screen, there are 11 type of templates are available. Is first one is blank template, scrollable templates, list template, success template, tutorial, email, people, meeting, calendar, portrait print, and the last one is landscape print. As I can say, a Power Up screen is a source of the application. To make any type of application, screen is very necessary source things. Without screen, we cannot make any type of application in Power Apps. So like this screen has like different type of properties, and even since it controls a Power Apps application. So let me tell you one by one how you can add screen layouts and how you can add screen templates in Power Apps. So let's move to directly to the Power Apps Studio and let me show you. So this is my Power Apps Studio. You can see this is a blank canvas application that I have created before. So to add a different type of layout and different type of screen template, you can see there is a new screen option at the top command bar. Just expand it. You can see there are 2 type of section. One is layout and one is templates. In the layout section, you can see there are 4 type of different layouts. One is blank, split screen, sidebar, and header and footer. And the templates, you can see 11 type of templates are present inside the Power Apps application. So let me tell you, whenever you will create a new application, new blank canvas application, at that time the default screen will be your blank screen. But if you want to change your screen, or if you want to add a different type of layout, then you can directly click on new screen and then you can choose over here, and from here, and then once you will click on it, then the new screen will appear here in the tree view section. So let me tell you, suppose you want to add a header and footer screen. So here what will happen, there will be a header section, there will be a main script section, and there will be a footer section. So you can see in header section there will be one container control, in the body section there will be main container section, and the footer section also has one container control. You can see there is a plus icon also. If you click on this, then you can insert any type of control or form into that container control, and you can build your application as per your need. Similarly, if you want put any type of control, suppose an image control you want to put, then go to media, then click on image, and if you want to put any image, then you can add an image control, and you can also you can put any text, also you can put any drop down choice. Everything is there. Whatever you want, you can put it, and you can show the data over here. And similarly, whenever you want to suppose you want to put some links over here in the footer section, then you can click on this open insert menu. You can choose any type of control over here, and then you can build your application as per your requirement. Another one, suppose you want to add one split screen. So here you can see the split screen means this one screen is divided into 2 parts. One is left container and one is right container. So in left container, you can insert any type of control or form inside the container, inside the left container. And if you want to show something in the right side, then you can click on this right side container, and you can add any type of form control, camera control, add picture control, whatever you want, you can put it, and you can display the data over here. Suppose I will tell you, if suppose you want to show all the data here, suppose there is a product list and you want to show all the details here, So there will be laptop, mobile, mouse, keypad, anything. And once you click on this, the right side you can add an display form and you can show all the details of that particular item from the gallery control. So this is all about the power-ups layouts. Next, we will see what are the screens are available or what are the template screens are available in power-ups. So once you'll click on this, go to the template section. As I told you, whenever you will create a new blank canvas application, there will be a blank screen available. I mean, pre-built blank screen will be available. Suppose you want to suppose you want to add a list template screen. So what will happen whenever you will add a list screen, it will show like this, where you can see a header or title section where you can give app name or title of the application. You can see this looks like a gallery control. Even in fact, it is a gallery control only, and that contains one image control, one text label control, other one is also text label control, where you can give this one as a title, the first one you can give as a title, this one you can give as a title, and the second one you can give the subtitle. Also, if you want to change any type of layout, then you can go to the layout section and you can choose any type of gallery layouts like the title, subtitle, title, subtitle, and body. That is your choice. You can add anything. So let me show you by using some data source. Here I will use a SharePoint list data source. You can see I have used I will use one SharePoint list as employee onboarding. So once you will select the data source employee onboarding, you can see how it looks like the data, how you can analyze the data from here. So the image control, it is retrieving from the SharePoint list. Even in fact, all the items are retrieved from the SharePoint list only. So this is one type of screen called as list screen. Similarly, if you want to add another type of screen is success. So success is nothing but suppose some application you made and there is a form control. Suppose you enter the data and submit the form. So once you will submit the form, the user will get a successful notification that your application has been submitted successfully. So instead of making a new screen and instead of making a new design, you can directly come to this success screen and click on this. But by using one click only, you make your app ready within short period of time. Similarly, there are if I will choose any type of things like email screen. So this email screen, you can see this is the totally email screen looks like a Outlook. In fact, it is the Outlook only, and that is pre-built in Power Apps. In Power Apps, and you can see there is two subject message and there is a send icon as well. So whomever you want to send an email within your organization, directly you can enter their email address. You can add your subject here and you can add a message of to that person. Please click on and simply click on this send icon. The total mail will forward to the particular person to whomever you want to send. So this is all about the email screen. Suppose I will another one is there, people. This people screen helps to find users in your organization. Suppose I want to search something or search people inside, those are available inside our organization. Suppose I will search Vijay, so it will appear Vijay. Suppose I will search another one, Ritika. So, like you can see, those are particularly available inside our organization. You can find out those people and you can see over here all the names inside this screen. So again, I will tell you there are two type of special screen templates available in Power Apps. One is portrait print and one is landscape print. Suppose I will click on this portrait print screen. So what will happen? Like if you if I will preview, you can see there is a print option. So once you will click on this print option, the page will print in portrait mode. Okay. Similarly, there is a landscape print. Whenever you will add that landscape print screen, the view will be landscape and the page will be print in landscape mode. So you can see there is also a destination. So whatever you want to save it, like save as PDF, Microsoft Print to PDF, that is your choice. You can see there is a page option, layout option, there is portrait. If you want to print as portrait mode, then this will be portrait. And if you want to print in landscape mode, then you can change over here. And color also you can choose, either you want to color print or either you want to black and white print. Also there will be more settings. You can see the paper size also available, the pages per sheet is also available, margin if you want to default, make it default, else you can choose any option over here. Scale also, there is a default and custom scale. And if you want to put any background graphic, then you can enable it, otherwise you can disable it. So once it is done, you can see there is a print button here. So once you will click on print button, the page will print in portrait mode. So this is all about the portrait and landscape print screen. In this way, we can use the screen templates and screen layouts based upon your needs. In the next video, we will see what are the themes are present inside the Power Apps.